Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Toyota Camry. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.